Hello? Hello? I want to record a message for you. Welcome to 8 Balls Pizzeria, where family and fun come to die. I'm to life. Life. Right. The animatronics, they do get quirky at night, so pay attention.
Oh no, how much are you paying?
$8.7, and I got 100% discount.
Oh no. Please tell me about those night guards.
Well, there's this guy that got in the head, and also this guy who got arrested for having pictures of the cheesy pineapple on the computer. Man, that killer pineapple.